Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome back. Hey. Today we are back for another episode of Brittany Cooks, and we are making, get this, fried salmon with sauteed green beans and saffron rice. So join me in the kitchen to see how I do it. So I'm going in a pan with some olive oil. I'm just going to turn on the heat to get it hot, and then I'm going to cut up my favorite onion. While I wait, I'm gonna go ahead and make some saffron rice. 3.5 cups of water into a pot. I'm gonna pour the water into the pot and go ahead and start the boil. Turn the heat on high. I've got the heat getting hot on the deep fryer. Pan is hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put the onions in, caramelize them, and then I'll go in with some garlic. And that's gonna be the base for the green beans that I'm going to saute. So we're gonna fry some fish tonight. And I've got some fish fillets. I'm gonna season those and put them in a little fish fry. And then we're gonna deep fry them. And my oil is hot, and I'm gonna go in the pan with my onion. Season my fish. I'm gonna do that on both sides. A special seasoning. It's an Italian blend of seasonings. Very liberally. My onions are sauteing. I'm gonna let them get caramelized before I go with my garlic. As soon as this starts boiling, I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of margarine, and I'm going to do my Mahatma yellow rice, which has just got saffron seasoning in it, and it's so good. I'm going to get the fish in my bag of fish fry, get it well coated, right in the bag, shake it up. As soon as the fryer says that it's ready, I'm going to stick my fish into the hot oil. As soon as those are golden brown, we'll take them right out, rest them on a plate of napkins. Onions are starting to brown. Just gonna let them go a little bit more, and then I'll go with my garlic, and I'll go right in with my green beans. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my garlic. Brown that. I'm gonna go in with my green beans. They're such a pretty color. Just gonna pour those right in. And these are fresh that I bought and froze, because if you don't cook them right away, they will spoil, but you can freeze them. Special blend of seasoning, olive oil, give those a stir. I want to mix them well with the garlic. And the onions. Let them cook down till they begin to soften just a little bit. You really don't have to cook them long at all. If you like them crunchy, some people do. I can eat them like that, but my husband likes them a little soft, so I'm gonna get them a little soft. Now my oil is ready, and so I'm gonna go right in with my fish. First fillet, skin down. And second fillet, and go right in. And you can put the top on, but I'm just gonna leave it off so I can keep a close eye on. I'm gonna go ahead and put my butter in the boiling water. And this is what it looks like. It's just yellow rice, and it's got a little saffron spice down in the bottom of the bag, so just pour all of this right in, and we'll cook that for about 20 minutes until the water is evaporated and the rice is swelled and plump and soft enough to eat, and then we're gonna serve it up. And what I like about this meal is it's so simple, it's so easy, and fairly quick. I can cook all of this in about 20 minutes if I boil the water first and cook the rice first. Just shake those around a little bit so they don't get stuck to the bottom of the frying pan. Water's boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in my rice. You can make saffron rice yourself. You just need white rice. I would use jasmine rice with some saffron spices. Saffron is a beautiful color, almost orange. Check on my fish. That looks nice and golden brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it go maybe a few more seconds and I'll take it out. Give this a stir, and when it cooks the water will evaporate and you'll see the rice at the top, and I'll take it off the heat and we're going to serve everything. I'm also going to make some fried chicken because I'm actually doing the fish for some friends, and I'm going to serve the fish with the green beans and the rice, and then I'll serve the chicken with the green beans and the rice for me and my husband. So I'm just going to take some thawed out chicken and put it in some flour, and we'll go right into the hot oil with that. This is the most simplistic way to cook fried chicken. If you want it more coated, you can go in with egg wash and buttermilk for a crunchier, thicker crust. But the simplest way to do it is just seasoning and flour, and you go right into the hot oil and it'll come out very good. I'm just gonna cook it until almost all of the liquid is gone, and then it'll be to the perfect tenderness that we want. Louisiana hot sauce.
So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Also hit the bell so you don't miss any uploads. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other video. I'll see you next time.